What's going on? In this video I'm going to show you how to use Morpheus TV. This application is a real quick and straightforward app for movies and TV shows. Once you start your Morpheus TV, the first thing you want to do is check on your version. It should update you as fast as when you open it. Once you open it, you're going to see if there's an update. It's going to say update to the new version. If not, you're good. So the first thing you're going to do is you click it. You see how you have your options here. Click into your movies. Now this is still different than Untitled TV and a lot of other ones. This one, it doesn't have the actual artwork or the movie posters. This one, you have to actually know the movie, or you only have two options here: trending and popular. Trending, you could click into, and then you're gonna see you have these here. You know, you have your top trending movies. I'll keep going. You just, you know what I mean, you have to choose which one. But that's that there. Let's back out of that real quick. Go to popular. Pretty much the Marvel movies are most popular ones because of that Infinity Wars movie, Avengers. But let's say you want to watch a certain movie. You click into search. Here you go here, and you'll just search a movie. Let's say Frozen. So you write Frozen, you hit search, okay, and there you go. You have pretty much any title that's named Frozen, but obviously you want to see the kids version. And then this is how this works. You click into it, it's searching the sources for you. Give it a second or so. All right. As you see, it's loading up. Depending on how your network is, it works a lot faster if you have a better, stronger network. But you see here, you see how it says 1080p, and then it has one there, HD 1, standard definition 0, and unknown 0. This is just like Untitled TV. I'll give you your best links on the top, and then all you do is you click into your link. See this one here? This here has it doesn't have it says 1080, 720 or anything. This is your unknown one. Click this on. You see this one here, it says 1080 HD 1080p, and then this one, I'll get you any money, 720. Yep. Now all you would do is you click the link you want, you click it, and it always starts with your subtitles. You can take those off. The way you take it off is that button right there. See how it says highlighted show titles? You click show titles, click off, and the movie should be starting. Fast forward a little bit, and there you go. You have no subtitles if you don't want subtitles. You can have subtitles, just leave it on and you'll see the subtitle. All right, and that's how you watch for your movies. Let me back out of here real quick. Back out of there, back out of there. And then if you want to go back out of here, and then if you want to go for TV shows, same process. You pick your trending shows. Let's go to popular real quick. You got your Game of Thrones, Breaking Bad, Walking Dead. Let's go to Walking Dead. Once you get into to your TV series you want to see, it breaks it down to seasons. And the same process. You pick the season. You have each episode. You click the episode you want. Click that there, and the same deal. It's gonna search for your sources. You click into your source, the best quality source, and then it should start your movie. It's gonna start with subtitles, but as you've seen before, how to turn those subtitles off. So back out of there, back out of there, back out of this. And the one thing I do want to state is, let me see here. When you go into your movies, you're gonna see this right here, your My Collection and My Watch. Once you click that, it's gonna give you a website to log into, and you could create a free account. Real easy and quick to do. If any questions, just leave a comment below, and I hope you like this video, and if you did, please subscribe. Thank you.